In this guide, you'll learn how to fix no network available issue in CapCut desktop. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now, at the left-hand side, you're going to find the option Network and Internet. Click on that. Then click on the option VPN. Now, click on the option Add VPN. Now, you'll need to fill these. For that, what you have to do is close this, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website VPN Gate. Search for it. Once you're over here, you're gonna see many host names from different countries. Choose any host name and copy it. Then paste it into the server name field. Likewise, you can give a name to your VPN. Then click on this drop down for VPN type. Select SSTP. Now you'll need to type in the username and the password. Refer back to the VPN Gate website. At the top, you're gonna find the username as well as the password. Now copy this, head back, type in that in the password and the username section, then click on Save. Now, click on the option Connect. Once you are connected, reopen your CapCut, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.